you don't have to put all in one time.
Nee, dat doe ik ook niet. Ik kan toch zien dat ik niet helemaal zo doe.
Hello, Inday!
Hey!
Si Chloe mga gaps, so naghugas siya sa kanyang paa. Kasi, because your
Socks were
wet.
wet.
Yeah. Basang-basa yung ano niya.
Because of the ice.
Medyas.
It's because of the ice.
Yeah. Okay. Is this yours?
Ja.
Why is it on the floor?
Ik wou op de wc doen. Ik ben
Ay,
klaar.
was it kavala?
Ja, was.
Okay.
Mama,
Yes, what can I do for you, my friend?
jij.
My friend. Yeah, I will stay here in the upstairs. Because, do you know what I am going to do?
No.
We will wash your clothes.
No.
Sa mga guwaps, as you can see here, ito yung ano ni Chloe. Mga labahin. Tingnan nyo, punong-puno. Ilang days na to hindi nalabhan. Parang, ang bilis mapuno niya mga guwaps. So, ang gagawin ko, lalabahan ko yan, pero tuturuan ko si Chloe. Ipakita ko sa kanya kung paano maglaba. Ang bigat ng ano niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, you don't have to do it, but I will show you how to do it so that if you are big girl na, and yeah, you go to the other house, charot, you go to the other house. So if ever big girl na siya, alam niya na kung ano, paano maglaba.
Okay,
diba?
what are we going to do? Wash my clothes.
Yeah.
And then.
And later, I will make a fried chicken.
Yeah!
Magluto ako ng fried chicken na. Go, come here. Oh yeah, put ano ka, chinilas ka kasi malamig.
I want to take a chinelas.
Chinilas is slippers. Ay, nako. Yan lang pala yung narito.
They're not telling you how to do.
Maglaba tayo sa met-met brown. Ay, lasiro.
Look, you broke my basket.
I'm sorry. No. Tura, uy. Okay, May Brown. Wait a minute. Kasi mainit. We will separate first the whites with the white. But the
Clothes.
panty is okay.
Also, is the panty okay?
Yeah, because it's inside too.
Yeah.
Nobody can see it if it's broken. If it's broken, then it's okay. Nobody can see it outside.
Does that have Mona and...
Kapitatan. Wala, kadaghan man imong kuan ako eh. Daghana niya labhunon mga guwaps. My goodness, you have so many ano. Here are your clothes.
That is the broke.
Yeah, here are your clothes na pastilan. Ay, no? Tapos, and you were wearing your clothes the whole week. Balik-balik.
Ja, dan hoef jij niet steeds te wassen. Dat zegt papa ook.
Yeah, okay. Balik-balik siya kuan mga guwaps bado. Kay daghan mga labhunon man daya mga bado.
En soms zijn de kleren ook comfy.
Comfy.
Ja.
Choosy lang ka.
Yeah.
You're just choosy.
Ja.
Okay, now you put that there in the washing machine.
Washing machine.
You don't have to put all in one time.
Nee, dat doe ik ook niet. Ik kan toch zien dat ik niet helemaal zo doe.
Okay. Not too much on your hand. Ay, mukuan na dyan siya, mulalis na dyan siya mga guwaps. Makipagtalo na talaga siya.
And what's it?
Okay, pagtalo na talaga siya sa akin. Pastilan ng Jud. Hindi na Jud siya magpapugong. Ganyan. Very good ang aking inday. Hala, uy, very good sa aking Parinay, oh. Hala, si Parinay, ah! Very good! Is it full, the washing machine?
Yeah. Coming again.
Push! But not all. Maybe this one. Not this big. Or do you want from here? Comfy clear.
Yeah, I got my comfy clean.
Okay. Dumarte. Okay, masyado yung puno pero okay lang. Sige na, i-close. I-close mo ang door.
Hold on.
Push. Yeah, like that. Okay na. You hear the click, toch?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's closed already. And now, sorry my love. You get tansya na lang.
Yes.
Ganyan. You put inside. You open that.
Where?
You put here. Yeah, all. And now, put it back here and cover it. Here's the cover. And now, you get the softener.
That.
Yeah, was verzachter. You open that one. Try. Like that. Open and pour it here.
Dat wou ik ook doen.
Okay.
Is dit genoeg?
Nog meer.
Totdat helemaal vol.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, put there.
There?
Yes.
Bij de roze.
Yep. Okay, and then close that. And then touch the on. Turn it on. Yeah, it's already here in echo. So if it's like that, you put it in echo, yeah? That is, where is that? Whitewash. Yeah.
Ja.
And then you can also touch this. Oh, that magnet.
Zo niet?
Yeah, starter knit kan it. Okay, and then you can start. So that's it. Diba? Is it easy or is it moeilijk? Is it hard?
Is makkelijk.
Easy?
Ja.
Oh. So I will wait.
We will wait.
If it's finished.
If it's finished.
And what are we gonna do? If it's finished.
We're gonna put it in my room.
We hang it up.
Oh yeah.
You put it in your room?
When it's wet.
Wet? Yeah? Yeah? You like that?
No.
Pag sure na, oy. Ayan na. So, do you know now how to wash clothes? How to wash your clothes? Do you know now how to wash your clothes na? Okay mga guwaps. So, i-prepare ko lang yung chicken kasi mag-fried chicken para sa aking dalaga na walang iba kundi si Chloe. Yan po. Yee.
Fried chicken.
Yes. Tara. Ayan, meron akong chicken dito. Ayan o. Malamig. Wait lang, ipanglagay ko muna to yung mga dishes sa ating
Mama, it's so
machine.
lekker.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the mais
Yeah.
corn.
Just hook that ook and it is so lekker.
Yeah? Yeah, that is lekker. Masarap. Lekker is masarap mga guwaps.
And masarap is yummy.
Yummy! Yeah, that's right. So mga guwaps, ito yung gagamitin ko na Panghalo sa fried chicken. Ito nga pala yung chicken ko mga guwaps, ang laki. 4 na piraso to. So, ayan. Kasya na siguro to. Kasi normally mga guwaps, minimix ko yung flour, tapos yung cornstarch, tapos tinitimplahan ko siya, tapos yung kalahati nito. Pero kung mali, konti lang, kasya ba to? Let's see na lang mga guwaps. So mga guwaps, dinagdagan ko to ng flour at saka harina kasi konti lang. Tapos tinimplahan ko lang konti din ng asin at saka paminta at saka ng garlic powder. So yan lang. Okay mga guwaps, ilunod na natin ang chicken. Tigdadalawa lang para hindi over. Ayan na mga guwaps. Okay na to. So ito na yung chicken mga guwaps. And gumawa din ako ng gravy. Ayan. So pakainin na natin si Forinay. She's waiting for the rice. She wants rice.
Because rice is life.
Yeah, rice is life. Okay, ang judge natin ay si Chloe. Okay, have here the gravy sauce. Is it hate?
Yeah, it's hate.
Dali, tulungan kita. You can hop. Video. What can you say? Masarap?
Masarap. Yummy.
Yummy kayo? Ay, yummy jud. Sige nga, tikman nga natin. Wow. Crunchy. With the gravy. Sarap. Masarap mga guwaps. Lasang fried chicken. Lasang chicken joy.
Mama.
Fried chicken ala Jollibee. Charot.
Mama.
Huh?
Vet je wat ik doe? Meestal.
Wat?
Ja, ik doe dit. Ugh. So.
Sausaw. Sarap.
Delicious.
Delicious. Sarap mga guwaps. Chicken is good.
Yes.
So. Parang panghapunan na namin to Kasi mag-alasing ko na.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait lang, oy!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, sa...
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ay! Agay! My dad! Akong ipay! Ay, sorry! Ako na lang! Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? 1, 2, 3, 4! 1, 2, 3, 4 yan! Akong baby! Ay, akong baby! Akong baby! My baby! Okay, continue!
Okay,
Didil ako sa'yo, uy!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mas malala ka pa sa papa mo na!
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
Mga guwaps, mas malala pa siya sa papa niya. Grabe siya.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Anak!
Yeah.
You are worse than your father.
So?
Because you are so crazy.